In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do Spin City, which looks like this. So as you can see, this is a finger spin trick. So if you haven't already, I recommend you go check out our tutorial on how to do finger spins. And all the tips that you'll see in that video will actually apply to this trick. So to start this trick off, you're going to throw a horizontal breakaway into a finger spin. You can get into it however you like, but I prefer to throw a banana turnover before I land the yo-yo. And from here, you're going to bring your throw hand and bring it around your head so that the string is going behind your neck. And you're going to bring your throw arm over your non-throw hand so that the yo-yo is coming in between the string and your arm. And then from here, you're going to pop the yo-yo over your throw arm and land on the other side into a finger spin. From here, you're going to take your throw elbow and bring it inside the string, and you're going to bring your arm back over your head the same way that it came so the string slides down onto your arm. And then from here, you're going to let the yo-yo drop over the outside of your hand so that you can catch the string, and let the yo-yo swing over your arm and releasing the string as it comes around, then landing onto a finger spin on the inside of the string, making sure that the string stays rested on your arm. From here, you're going to insert the string into the front of the yo-yo and bring your arm around and then pull up on the string, which will cause the string to tornado bind. And then you can bring your hand down and catch the yo-yo. And that was Spin City. Oh my God.
Barber's full.
All these tutorials are hard work, man. Okay.